Assalamu alaikum. Grade 5. This is your English class. Today we will solve page number 13 on the grammar notebook. June 23rd, 2020, Tuesday. You will make proper format. And the first topic given on the page is suffix. Prefix and suffix. I hope you already read about it in grade 4. If not, I am going to revise it. Please be with me. Suffix. A suffix is a letter or group of letters which are placed after the stem of the word. Stem means root word के साथ आप जब कोई और word add करते हैं, you are going to add some other word, then the word which you are adding in the stem is called suffix. For example, sweet. Sweet is an adjective. Okay, when we add ness, sweetness, it becomes sweetness, and the status of the word also change. It becomes a noun. Now, slow. Yes, slow is adjective. When we add ly, it becomes slowly. Yes, ly is suffix. And slowly becomes adverb. Adjective changed into adverb. Okay, now what you have to do in question number 1, add the suffix y to these words and then use the new words into your own sentences. Okay, when we add y to fluff, it becomes fluffy. Yes, fun becomes funny. Leaf becomes leafy. Sugar becomes sugary. And the bend becomes bendy. Fine. What you have to do, you have to write them on your notebook and search the sentences of these from internet. Now, check the next question. Add the suffix y to the following where possible. Not all the words can take the suffix y, so check in a dictionary and be careful about spelling changes. Red, ready, no. Run, runny, yes. Shade, shady. Close, closey, no. Close could not be changed. Close could not be changed in closey. Okay, you have to find the word. First you have to add y in the given words, then check from the dictionary. Is it present in the dictionary? If not, you have to cancel it. Is it clear? Now, the next topic, abbreviations. You remember what an abbreviation is? It's a short form of writing something. Usually only the important words have their initial letters in the abbreviations. Example, Bachelor of Arts, not BOA, but it's BA. Yeah, BA, Bachelor of Arts. Now we will solve all these abbreviations on your board. So, abbreviations. The first is Master of Science. When you are going to abbreviate it, what will you write? MSc. The abbreviations of Master of Science is MSc. Clear? Member of Parliament. Next is Member of Parliament. So it becomes M dot P. Keep one thing in mind when we are going to write any abbreviation. Master, the abbreviation of master is M. We will always write capital M and we will put a full stop after the abbreviation of each word. And the Master of Science, the abbreviation of science is SC. Fine. After it, we will not put a full stop. Member of Parliament, member, the first letter of member is M. Yes. Fine. Then Parliament, we will put a full stop and then P for Parliament. Now school living certificate. School living certificate. What the abbreviation school? S, full stop, living, yes, and then certificate, C. Trade union, T dot U. Southeast, S dot E. Southeast. Fine. So G. So last 5 abbreviations you have to do by yourself. After it contractions, you have to write short form of the followings. You have done it already. If you have any problem, you can ask me.